Hi, this is Samanja and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to style an HR tag. Let's get into it. This is an HR tag and it's responsible for the line in here. What does an HR tag exactly do? It helps create a horizontal rule, okay? It helps create a horizontal rule. So if you want to follow along, just go to W3 School HR and okay, let's style this. So just like any other HTML tag, HR tag can also have an ID. Let's call it HR1. And now let's style. Let's style this HR1 HR tag. This one. Okay, so let's call it. So now it has a border color. Let's give it a width. Okay, let's give it a height. Height of, I don't know, 100 pixel. Okay, now that just looks like a box. Okay, let's give it a background color. I don't know, blue. Make it really ugly. Okay, now the HR tag, as you can see, it can be styled in many ways. Let me go back to 100%. Let me, what if I want to put an image instead of an HR tag? What if I want an image in there in the horizontal rule? It is pretty easy. Let me put an image of, I don't know, this, like a regular, okay, let me put a GIF just for fun, okay? Let me put this GIF, copy image address, and let me put this GIF here. Background image, URL. Let's see. Okay, nothing happens. That's because I don't have a height. What about height 200 pixel? Oh, now we can see it in here. Okay, let's remove the other one. Background, repeat, no repeat. Now let's position it. Position. To center. And let's also do something. Let's size this. Because now it doesn't look like an HR tag at all. Background size, I don't know, 50 pixel. Right, I just a little too little. I don't know. Let me make this auto. Okay, now we can't see it at all. Let me make this 50 pixel. Let's remove the border. Okay, let's remove the border. This is too small. 80 pixel. Okay, at least now we can see it. What about 100 pixel? Okay, this is good. Now let's move this around the page. Okay, let's move it with a marquee tag. Marquee tag. Let's move this horizontally across the page. Okay. Okay, that took a long time. Let me direction, right, loop. See, let's just make it, let's make the width 100%. Okay, so as you can see, we can do a lot of things with the HR tag. And this was one example. Let me make the marquee width. I don't know. How much do I make the width? 80%. Let's see what happens. Change the width. So this is how we can put a GIF in the marquee, put a GIF, change, play around. We can put an image there. And we can even animate a div, make it really, animate an HR tag, make it really pretty. So this is just for fun. I wanted to show you all the stuff that you can do with something like an image in an HR tag. Let me let me give this a class name. Let me do the other HR. Okay, we'll make this bigger. Call it HR2. And when I'm trying to animate this HR, this horizontal rule in here, and I'm gonna do it. That's why I'm instead of an ID, I'm using a class because I like to animate everything with a class. I think it's way easier and it's traditionally done that way. I've never animated anything using an ID. Okay, so HR, let me put a border 2 pixel dashed green. Let's see. Oh, HR2. It's a typo. Okay. So what if I want to animate this? Okay. So I should use the animation in here, animation, and HR2 with 3 seconds, ease out, forwards. And then we have to do the keyframe, HR2 with. What I'm trying to do in here is that um, the the width of this HR is going to start from 0 and within 3 seconds it's going to stretch out the whole width of the page. So it starts at 0. The width is going to be 0 at 0%. And then within 3 seconds it is going to be 100%. Okay, let's see. See, this is how you animate these out forwards. Okay, now we can change the time, make it 1 second, will be really fast. And that's it. This is how you can play around with HR tags in HTML. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Thank you.